Good morning, guys. This is the first of my 4 examples on how to draw ray diagrams. This first one is going to be concave mirrors. They're called concave because they bend inward. So when you look at this image, the reflective part is right here on the inside. All right, I've got a snip for us to draw onto, and we're going to get started. So the first part says to draw a straight horizontal line from the top of the object to the mirror surface. First thing we want to note is that this arrow is in fact our object. This F represents our focal point where all the light is going to reflect and hit at the same place where it's going to come together. And since we need to draw straight lines for ray diagrams, I'm going to use a ruler. So I'm going to draw my first ray, and I'm going to do a straight line, just like it says, horizontal, all the way to the surface of the mirror. So let's see if I can do this. There we go. There's the surface of the mirror. The next step is to reflect that line back perpendicular to the surface of the mirror. We're going to have to eyeball this a little bit, but I can see here that like this is kind of the curvature. So if I draw a perpendicular line to the curvature, it's going to look something like that. So let's aim to draw that. That's interesting. It looks like it's going to go through our focal point. Very interesting. All right, now we're going to draw a straight line from the top of the object again to the focal point of the mirror. So we're going to go right through this dot representing the focal point. Okay. Second ray. Here we go. Okay. And then we're going to go ahead and hit the mirror too, right here. And now we're going to make a horizontal line coming off of it. Great. So now my new image is going to form where the lines of reflection hit. So they converge right here. So they cross at the focal point, but they converge again right here. So let's draw my object in red just so it's distinct. So right here is where the top of my object is. And then here's our surface, so I'm going to draw it like that. You're thinking to yourself, hey, it's upside down. Well, this is kind of like the inside of a spoon, if you think about it. So if you've ever looked at a picture or looked at yourself in the reflection of a spoon, it's upside down. So this makes sense to us. All right, this is just my first example. I've got 3 more.